So let's start. First is insert your USB to your computer, and then turn on your CPU and computer. While the computer is booting, just keep pressing the delete in your computer. Sa motherboard, ani is delete ang iyahang hotkeys. Depende sa motherboard nga nailain pa maagi, but usually delete jud ang hotkeys ani. So mao na ni ang Asus motherboard BIOS. Napod siya lain brand sa motherboard such as Gigabyte, MIS, and ASRAM, etc. Pero kung unsa inyo nakita na apod sa lain brand, dili lang ani pagkabutang. So if you're going to install Windows 10, just click the button upper middle, then after you click, makita ato ang boot option priorities nya atong kailangan i-set kay ang boot option 1. Ang boot option 2, 3, 4 kay optional na. So boot option 1 kay i-set nimo kung asa nimo ibutang ang Windows 10. So just click the boot option 1, set na nimo, then after ana is ato na ta sa boot override. I-click nimo ang USB nya, ang pangalan sa USB ani is SanDisk, nasa kinaubsan. Just click the SanDisk and then nakikita na yung SanDisk. So mao ni gawas sa USB kay giset niya sa 64 and 32-bit. Sa 64 is recommended siya sa higher memory and ang 32 sa lower memory. So sa 64 is recommended siya sa mga 8 GB pataas, since I think 8 GB mang tuyang USB. So we choose 64-bit and just press the enter. And after you set the 64-bit, press mo enter and after. And the installation of Windows 10 is starting.
This will be the result after you click the Windows 10 64-bit option. So as you can see, language and time currency is English, so by default let's click next. So another two options will show up: install now and repair your computer. So the repair of your computer is used when there are minor problems in your Windows you want to repair, and it also used to recover your important files to your previous operating systems you use. So sa install now is used to install and you don't have important files if you want new Windows. So our purpose is to install new Windows, so let's click install now. So here, let's click I don't have a product key since we'll activate this after we install Windows 10. Then as you can see, there are other types of Windows 10. There's Home N and so on. So okay, so as you can see, it's 64-bit. So it is so another experience, Windows 10 Pro is the recommended type. So let's click next, and here is one option, I accept the license term. Let's click that. Then after you click the accept, click next. Then so after you click next, there are two types of installation, the upgrade and advanced. So the upgrade is when you have old files in your computer, and the other type is advanced. This is the recommended type of others because you can format the drive and have partitions, and your new installed Windows is fresh. So let's click the advanced. Then as you can see, there are partition drives at here. So there are only two drives, don't be fooled, since the others are not useful. Let's delete the others, and don't do this if you have important files in your computer, since if after you delete it, this will be gone forever.
Okay, so I have here two hard drives. The one is 1 2 GB SSD and the 1 TB HDD. So I will divide them into two. 1 TB, so 450 each, so that meron akong lalagyan ng backup, and also for games, and pwede din hindi i-partition, and you can also direct install to the SSD Windows 10. It's up to you, but for me, I will just divide them in divide. Ito yung kinagandahan ng advanced, you can partition and also format. You will also notice you cannot click format if you are in an located space, so you can also format in this partition after you install the Windows 10. So let's install the 120 GB in the SSD, so 111.8 GB. So let's click next. So here, just click restart now. So the next step is you will just choose what region are you belong. So for me, I'm here in Philippines, so I will just choose Philippines, then click yes. And next, you will just choose the US keyboard layout, then click yes. So here I will just choose the setup for personal use because it is for personal, not for organizational. Then click personal use, then click next. So here you can input your Microsoft account, but if you don't have Microsoft account, so you will just choose the offline account. So the next step is you will just click limited experience. So next you will just input your username here in the blank space. So for example, TTL Techno Hub, and then click next. So here I will not just put any password, but you can make password after you install the Windows. So let's just click next. So here let's just click no so that we can easily finish. So here you will just click accept. Let's just wait for a while for the setting up of the computer. Here is the result. We are finally done installing Windows 10 in the PC.